This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start with a warm welcome. In this video, I will show you how to make a nice omelet, step by step. First, let's prepare our eggs. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a medium-sized bowl. For a truly fluffy omelet, add about 1 tablespoon of milk or water. Now, whisk those eggs vigorously for about 30 seconds until the yolks and whites are completely combined and slightly frothy. This aeration is key to a light and airy result. Next, let's get our pan ready for action. Place a non-stick pan, ideally an 8-inch one, over medium-high heat. Allow it to warm up for about 1 minute. Then, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. As the butter melts, swirl it around to coat the entire bottom and sides of the pan. This prevents sticking and adds a wonderful richness to your omelet. Watch for the butter to foam slightly, but don't let it brown. Now for the main event. Pour your whisked egg mixture into the hot, buttered pan. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds, allowing the bottom to set. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked edges towards the center of the pan, tilting the pan to let the uncooked egg flow underneath. Repeat this process a few times until most of the egg is set but still slightly moist on top. This creates those beautiful, soft folds. Almost there. Once the omelet is mostly set but still a little creamy on top, add your favorite fillings to 1/2. Think about a 1/4 cup of shredded cheese or a tablespoon of fresh herbs. Cook for another 15 to 30 seconds, just long enough for the fillings to warm through. Finally, gently fold the omelet in half using your spatula and carefully slide it onto a warm plate. Serve immediately and enjoy your perfectly crafted omelet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.